Hey, so you've written an ebook and you're ready to sell it online. Gumroad makes it super easy to start selling digital books. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to upload, price, and sell your ebook effectively. Make sure your ebook is polished and ready for readers. Export it as a PDF, EPUB, or MOBI file. Include a professional cover, table of contents, and proper formatting. Go to Gumroad and create an account or log in if you already have one. Verify your email to enable selling features. In your dashboard, click Add a Product and choose Digital Product. Upload your ebook file so buyers can download it instantly after purchase. Give your ebook a catchy title. Write a compelling description and add a cover image. You can also include preview pages or sample chapters to entice buyers. Choose a price for your ebook. You can use fixed pricing, pay what you want, or even offer it free with optional tips. Price it according to your audience and value. Connect PayPal or a bank account so Gumroad can send you payments automatically after each sale. Share your ebook link on social media, blogs, email lists, and communities. Use free promotions, sample chapters, or teaser graphics to attract buyers. Respond to questions and feedback from readers. Engaged authors build trust and encourage repeat sales or referrals. Use Gumroad analytics to track sales, visits, and conversion rates. Improve your title, description, or cover image if needed to increase sales. Once your first ebook sells, consider adding more ebooks, creating bundles or upsells. The more products you have, the bigger your revenue potential.